Hey there, my name is Jimmy Stapp and I teach engineering at South Atlanta Computer Animation and Design. The guy on my left is Dale Doherty, and he's a good place to start if I'm going to tell you about a few of my favorite things. Dale Doherty is credited with creating the first websites and search tools seen on the internet and becoming the vice president of O'Reilly Media, where he coined and trademarked the term Web 2.0 to describe the tools and activities so many of us build lessons around every day. Web 2.0 is certainly one of my favorite things, but that's just our foundation. Dale also published several magazines for O'Reilly Media, the most popular of which gave us yet another term that quickly became a movement, spawning the very idea of STEM education. He founded my favorite educational resource, Make Magazine, and called his audience makers. Men, women, boys, girls, students, and teachers who all have one thing in common: we make things. Whether it's a web page, a water bottle rocket, a self-feeding dog bowl, a spreadsheet application, or a quadcopter, everything must be made by someone, and this leads me to another technology on my list, my MakerBot 3D printer. We use it daily in my lab and for my student organization, TSA. What you see here are a couple of photos I took at a recent fundraiser where my 3D printing pioneer student, Anthony Jenkins, was able to demo our printing setup while peddling some wallets, birdhouses, and educational toys. What makes this 3D printer work is a slicer program called Makerware. I've inserted a screenshot of some of Anthony's handiwork. 3D printing and the community that has risen around it via outlets like Thingiverse, and encouraged by the practically evangelical work of Mr. Doherty, is at the nexus of what is being called the rebirth of invention. Students and non-students alike can envision, sketch out, print up anything they can imagine, and bring those creations to life with remarkably affordable electronics, motors, and open source programming that can be self-taught via the World Wide Web. I'm looking forward to being a member of the Innovative Leaders Program so that I can not only continue to add to my teaching toolbox, but also so that I might share some of what I have to offer from my experience in education thus far. Thanks for watching my introduction. My name is Jimmy Stapp, and I'm a maker, and inspiring other makers is one of my favorite things.